I'm Cash.
And today we are reviewing chip clips. So this is the box that the chip clips come in. And this is what the chip clips look like. These chip clips are pretty small, so wherever you decide to store them, they won't take up a bunch of space.
These chip clips keeps food and stuff in non-resealable bags fresh, so no more stale Doritos for you.
So as you can see, there are magnets on the back of these chip clips. We attached those with E6000 glue. The link to those magnets and the glue will be in the description box below, but we did that because at the time we were attaching it to the fridge or to the fuse box in our laundry room. So apparently my brother took my chips without my knowing. So, Cash, whenever you're watching this later, you're in big trouble. So this just proves how strong of a grip these clips have. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video.
We post weekly, so please click on one of these two videos. I don't even know where they are. Please, click. Why are you still watching? Just click.
Okay, bye guys.